So if you have a bedroom or a living space that does not have any type of closet or bookshelf or any type of dresser, highly would recommend something just like this. This will actually go ahead and hold your suitcase right on top. It is made out of metal. It's got straps on the top to be able to go ahead and hold the suitcase. So basically you can live out of your suitcase because this particular area does not have any type of dresser or closet. It has 4 rubber feet on the bottom for it to go ahead and sit into place. But the best part is that you can actually collapse this and either put it underneath the bed or against a wall, just like that. Overall, it's super sturdy, super durable, and eliminates having to have a permanent dresser in this position, in this particular area of this room, especially when it's a small room and you don't have the space for it.